Hi guys, and welcome to an overview payroll management system developed using Python with a calculator. Let me show you guys how it works. Right here is the total of city waiting, basic pay, overtime, and so on. I can clear that and show you guys how that works again. Close, and let's add a final one. There, click on that, and that's what you get. Okay, and we can even reset the whole system. Reset, clear this. You can exit if you want, or let's enter another employee's details. Let's say the name of this employee is Ali. Here. And address of Ali, Treetop Town. There. And employer is Kingsland. Ali's within allowance and Ali's wages. Overtime, and Ali do have some extra pay in there. Need to enter Ali's postcode here. Ali is male. Now click on payment. There, and that's it. We can even validate this gross pay here, so let's come in here and just enter 234 plus 3,454 plus 452, and click on total. There we go. So what I'm going to do is call it the end of this overview, and if you guys want to see the full tutorial, the link will be on the description area. And thanks for watching, guys.